महे सुगंधि पुष्टिवर्धनम उर्वरुकमेव वंदनम मृत्युर्मोक्षममृता। इस मंत्र को जप करने से आप मृत्यु के जय कर लेंगे, शनिदेव प्रसन्न हो जाएंगे। If you chant this mantra, you can conquer the death. Then Shanidev will be pleased with you. Om Premanande. Shanidev Maharaj. ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। Vajakas Marchi of Guru and Gauranga. Now we have come, this place is called Louha Van. And Krishna in Dapar Yug, he performs sweet lila here. Especially two lilas is important in this place. First Krishna, he killed one demon, his name is called Lohasur. And by the mercy of Shivji, he got benediction, his body will as like iron. Especially his jangha. Jangha means his thigh. And that demon, he is very powerful demon. He conquered to everyone. and he disturbed to the Brajavasis also. So Krishna, he came here and he killed that the demon. And so for this regard, his name is this. Actually, for this regard, the demon name is called Louha Van. No, Krishna would place Louha Van. His thigh was as like iron. And Krishna, he performed this sweet lila. Another actual sweet pastimes, that is called boat pastimes here. Nauka Vilas Lila. Sometimes I also discuss about Krishna's Nauka Vilas Katha. In our Brajamandal Parikrama, two places Krishna performed boat sporting pastime. That is called Nauka Vilas. One is here and another Haridas. Manasi Ganga. When he used to go Brajamandal Parikrama in Govardhan, Ranga Paranga Ranga Ghat, her Sanatana Goswami Path, used to perform bhajan and sadhan, and also Lord Shivji is staying there. That is called Paranga Ranga Ghat, Mansi Ganga. And that place also Krishna performed that lila, that is called Nauka Vilas lila. And also here Krishna performed Nauka Vilas lila. Once Purnamasi Devi she declared, if you bring some milk, yogurt, ghee, and offer to perform the fire sacrifice of Bhaguri Rishi, then all Brajavasis, cows and calves will be increased more and more. So for this regard, gopis they brought the milk, yogurt and ghee in this air. Actually that time Jamuna, she was floating, flowing in this way. Jamuna is very close to here. Now Jamuna is going very far. But that time Jamuna, she was floating in this area. And this place actually called Krishna's cow herding and place. And this is a pastoral land of cows. Gocharan Bhumi. And daytime Krishna, he performed herding the cows, and he also performed sweet leela with his friends. At night time Krishna, he performed Ras Leela with the gopis. Krishna played the flute and all the gopis assembled and performed leela. Now you are looking this place, actual in Krishna Leela Dapar Yug, that place is completely empty. And cows grazing there, and Krishna is coming here, and that time here big kunda also is there. And also river is flowing. So Krishna used to come here and taking baths in this kunda, and sometimes also boat sporting and with the gopis in the water of the Jamuna. And so once gopis they brought the cows, what is it called? Milk, yogurt, ghee. They have to cross to Jamuna, because other side of the Jamuna, Bhaguru Rishi, he performed fire sacrifice. And actually all this lila arranged by Jogamaya. So Jamuna completely full of water. And big waves coming. So gopis are thinking how to cross the Jamuna. And that day there were no any boat. And Krishna that time disguised the form of boatman. And Krishna was staying other side of the Jamuna, and he was sleeping on the boat, only small boat. And swooning. Then gopis, they called to boatman, "Hey, now bole!" 3 and 4 times gopis they call to Krishna, "Hey, now bole!" Now bole means boatman. Then 2, 3, 4 times, then Krishna become very angry, boatman, very angry. "Hey! Pagal Braj gopis, Braj ke choriya, why are you disturbing my sleepiness? I want to sleep." But gopis very humble told, "Hey, now bole, boatman, look, there is no boat in here, please come and cross to us this Jamuna. Because time is over and about 12 midday. So we have to on time in the fire sacrifice of Bhaguru Rishi." But Krishna boatman he told, no, today I am very tired. So today I will not drive my boat, and I want to take rest. Then Gopis very humble told, "Hey boatman, please come. And time is over. About noontime, after noontime, Bhaguru Rishi, he will be stop his fire sacrifice." So Krishna then came, but Krishna told, "Okay, I can cross you the Jamuna, but not at the time all you." And at a time not all you. 1 by 1 or 2, 3 boats can come, because my boat is not
so big. Not so big.
Not good also. Maybe little bit hole also here. So I cannot take all you 1 by 1. The gopis they told, "Okay, no problem." But how much cost fare? Then Krishna told, "Okay, I will according to your weight, And then I can decide the cost, rent. How much? I can. Then gopi also put one gopi is okay. This is 500 kilos gopi. Moti patli gopi, moti gopi, patli gopi. You know, some gopis are very fat, and some gopis are thin. So according to their weight, I can decide. Oh my God! Hey, we are chaste ladies. You should not touch to our body. And the Krishna told how will know how much kilo I will know. But Gopi told no, we are chaste ladies, and our body should not contaminate with the touch of the other person. Otherwise, we will return back here. Gopi told, okay, no need to. Maybe it will not attain the fire sacrifice of Bhagavati Rishi. It is better return back our home with our yogurt, milk and ghee. Gopi, they were thinking, maybe they were very good, so what to do? Okay. So I will take, okay, listen. Okay, just I looking your face, how much you, those who are moti gopis man, fat gopi. So may the cost will be more. And those who are thin gopi, this is the average rate. So moti gopis can give 2 rupees, thin gopi can give 1 rupee. Then gopi is okay. But one thing, sab gopi ke par karite nebo ana, Radhika ke par karite nebo solo ana. Krishna told, this Bengali song, Krishna told, I can cross to you, all gopis I can take only 1 ana. That is, ana means 6 paisa. 6 paisa. But I'll cross Srimati Radhika, need 16 ana. 16 ana means 1 rupiah. 100, no. 1 rupee. Completely 1 rupee. So saying, sab gopi ke par karite nebo ana, Radhika ke par karite nebo 16 ana. 16 ana means 1 rupees. 1 ana means 6 rupees. 6 paisa. Okay, Gopi told, okay, first we'll go who? All Gopi, okay, come. That now all Gopi told, okay, Srimati Radhika, she can first go. We can go later. Krishna told, okay, come. Then they put all the yogurts, milk, ghee, and Srimati Radhika, maybe 2 or 3 gopis. Then Krishna was, look, too much heavy. My boat is too much heavy. I can't take. Yeah, no. We have to cross with our milk, yogurt, and ghee. Okay, boat coming in the middle of the Yamuna. Krishna, knowingly, he also, what is it called? Rocking his boat. Boat is rocking this way. Then Gopi said, hey, what you are doing? But this is my fault. I told you, you should not bring lot of your yogurt milk, and you are also fatty yogis. Fatty gopis. What to do? I told you, you have to compare one thin, one fat, but you are all fat gopis. So आप मोटी मोटी एक साथ में चढ़ गया तब कैसे? और milk yogurt you have to. Then Krishna knowingly more and more shaking. Then water entering. Then Krishna saying, what will do now? Gopis are trying. Okay, look, gopis, look, all in my boat also some hole is water is coming. Gopis they notice this is true. This is true? Krishna, what is saying? This is true. Boat almost sinking. Then, so what will do? Krishna told, okay, throw your milk, yogurt, otherwise, if you want to save your life, so you have to throw milk and yogurt and ghee, otherwise what to do? Then Gopi, they told, this is true. And Krishna knowingly more and more sucking his boat is going to water. Then Gopi start to cry, what to do now? Then they throw all the milk, yogurt and ghee. But still, where boat is sinking and water is coming. Then what to do now? Hey, listen, your clothes are too much heavy clothes. And all ornaments you have, and you have to. So then Gopi, they also one by one ornaments. There are many kinds of ornaments, necklace. There are many kinds. So still what doing? Then Krishna told, okay, come in there. Then come in the middle of the Jumuna. There one island manifest, Yogamaya. And very nice, beautiful place is there. Krishna stop in the island and perform sweet amongst pastimes, the Gopi and Krishna. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Just I briefly tell to you this. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai jai Shri Ram. Bolo Vrindavan ki jai. Acha chalo. Oh, another katha is where Krishna left Vrindavan. Then Krishna came to Mathura. Then he killed Kamsa. Then Krishna went to Sandipuni Muni ashram Ujjaini. Again Krishna returned back Mathura and he sent to Uddhav to pacify Gopi separation. But Uddhav mission completely failed because Uddhav could not pacify the Gopis. Then Uddhav returned back again in Mathura. Then Jarasandha again and again he attacked Mathurapuri. About 17 times he attacked Mathurapuri. Krishna and Balaram one by one he killed all the armies of Jarasandha. Then Jarasandha 18th time when he attacked Mathurapuri, then Krishna took all the Mathura residents of Mathura and came in Dwaraka in the middle of the ocean, built very nice, beautiful palace that is called Dwarakapuri. Did there also. Did there also Ved Dwaraka and meant Dwaraka. Then Krishna staying in Dwarakapuri, but Krishna always he is remembering Braj Gopis and day and night crying for the Gopis. Then Baladev Prabhu, he also told you have to go Vrindavan and pacify the Gopis, but Krishna told I will go, but he did not come. Then Baladev Prabhu he came in Vrindavan and tried to pacify the Gopis of Srimad Krishna, but not possible. Baladev Prabhu performed Ras dance with the Gopis in there, but they are not satisfied. Then Baladev Prabhu returned back Vrindavan to Dwarikapuri. Then Baladev Prabhu again told Krishna, you have to go Vrindavan. Krishna told again and again saying, I will go, but he did not come. Jayenge, kabhi nahi aaya. Then at the time of solar eclipse, Krishna came in Samanta Panchak in Kurukshetra. That time all the Gopis and Brajavasi, they also met with Krishna. And Krishna promised to them, soon he will return back Vrindavan. Because Krishna told, I almost killed all the demons. Just 1 or 2, 4 demons are there. I killed and returned back. You have to go. Then Gopis, they faith with the word of Krishna. Then Gopis, they returned back Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. Okay. Krishna returned back Kurukshetra to Dwarakapuri. Then after a couple years, Krishna came in Mathura. According to our Shastra explained this way, Krishna came in Mathura. Then he also Lohavan. Then he killed here also one demon. His name is called Dantavakra. Srila Rupa Goswami Pad explained Krishna he killed Dantavakra in Mathura. Then he came here, Lohavan, and he killed the Lohasur. Just I told this katha. Then he crossed Jabuna and came in Vrindavan and meet with the Gopis perform Ras dance about 2 years. Then Krishna took all the Brajavasis in his aprakat Vrindavan. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal Jai Jai Shri Radhe. And now 12 o'clock, the Baswala is waiting for us. Jai Jai Shri Radhe. And other हाँ भेंट दे दो भेंट तो सब मंदिर में दे दिया किसी को हाँ सबको दे दिया हमारी भी दो पंडारी की हमारी लोहासुर के मंदिर आप मंदिर के पंडा है कि नहीं कौन सा मंदिर के पुजारी है ये लोहासुर का पैसा दिया कि नहीं दिया है अच्छा सब लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा चढ़ा जो लोहासुर का चलो बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल सबका सम्मान है जो यथाशक्ति दोगे आप लोग तो बूंद से ही गढ़ा बढ़ेगा महाराज जो यथाशक्ति दोगे जाइए बैठ जाइए। But should not go many insects. They will bite you. He's there. Take care.
Que ele falou?
Nossa, okay. अरे उसको क्या दिखोगे? हमारी वेट करके जाइए।
What cat is it now? Where the demon is shining. गोकुल तक जाती है।
गोकुल तक जाती है। ये बहुत पुरानी प्राचीन संरचना अंदर सरक दी। ब्रह्मा जी के पुत्रों ने तपस्या की है। कोई भेंट करके आइए। ऐसा मत जाइए। हम प्रतिवासी हैं।